my name is Andre Crispin and I'm the CEO of the Trineboard company. Trineboard is an audiovisual manufacturer of interactive products selling to all markets across the Europe, Middle East, Africa, North America, South America, and going globally. Trineboard is originally selling into the educational market, so our customers are schools and educational institutions. However, last years we also focus on development into the corporate marketplaces. Right now we focus on the interactive flat panel displays, which are our core product. However, here in Amsterdam, we are launching a new product group, UHD Monitors, with the sizes 75-inch, 86-inch, and 98-inch. Here you can see the new 86-inch UHD monitor. Not every customer really needs the interactivity, and that's why we are bringing this new product group monitors. Regular professional monitors which can justify the needs in many corporate and also educational environments. We also offer an optional webcam with full HD resolution and 110 degrees viewing angle. So here in Amsterdam we are launching also our flagship 98-inch interactive flat panel with optional built-in OPS PC and 4K resolution. This is our flagship, and we are showing this model for the very first time. And it will extend our existing UHD line 55, 65, 75 and 86 inches. We are also launching 2018 models, which includes a new Android system 5.0 with enhanced features like the remote control over the LAN, and also new applications like Office Suite, which enables to open and edit the MS Office application even within the Android system. Our products are designed in Europe, having very sleek and mostly white design, which is very unique, and we have so-called everything from one hand. We are offering hardware, software and accessories, everything compatible and from one hand, as I said. We are also launching a new version of the Triumph Cloud offline system under the Windows, Mac and even Linux platforms.